Hello and welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran. Now, as we end the year, artists have begun to showcase their Spotify Wrapped sheet. And according to the streaming platform, what makes 2020 Wrapped so special is to see that although entertainment events and shows were cancelled worldwide due to the COVID-19 pandemic, people kept streaming and audio never missed a beat. And it's official, as people turn to Sean Paul, Popcorn and Vybz Kartel for their dancehall fix during the pandemic. Sean Paul, Jamaica's biggest artist out of this era, showcased his Spotify Wrapped with a massive 625.9 million streams across 68.8 million listeners. Now, Popcorn gained in popularity across 92 countries. Fixtape, although not receiving a Grammy nod, boasts an impressive 148.7 million streams on Spotify. And as Popcorn's international appeal grows, the teacher this time follows the student, as Vybz Kartel rounded off 2020 with 130.3 million streams. Kartel this year used his time wisely with the release of two albums, Tutanisha and Of Dons and Divas, of which he was hoping for his first Grammy nod. Also a favorite this year was Dexter Daps. His second studio album, Vent, secured over 21 million streams. Now, UK-based Jamaican dancehall artist Stylo G also saw double figures with just over 34 million streams. Stylo G, who broke just over a year ago locally with his mega hit Touchdown, continued the hit list with his Dumpling remix, Bam Bam and Too Hot. Interestingly, leading ladies Coffee, Spice and Shensia have yet to release their Spotify Wrapped, and fans are eager to see how the Queen and the princesses of dancehall and reggae match up to their male counterparts. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.